Screen Legends present Thomas the Tank Engine.
I mustn't be late, he thought. What shall I do? I can't stop.
There's plenty of excitement and lots of fun with runaway trains and last-minute rescues. It all adds up to great entertainment for kids.
Suddenly, like magic, the station was flooded with lights. Ladies, gentlemen, and children, I give you 3 cheers for Thomas the Tank Engine and all his friends. The race was on.
With storyteller Ringo Starr, watch Thomas and his friends get up to all kinds of adventures.
Horrors! Cried Thomas, and shut his eyes.
This great new series of Thomas the Tank Engine is available on 3 individual cassettes from Screen Legends. On sale now at all leading high street multiple stores and good video shops everywhere. Here's another children's favourite from Screen Legends. The enterprising adventures of our friendly feline, Henry's cat.
Little blue men.
We are about to be invaded by little blue men from Jupiter. Invent something to stop them. I'll be back in 20 minutes.
Just one of the wide range of video cassettes available from Screen Legends, the very best in entertainment for kids. Henry's Cat is on sale now at all leading high street multiple stores and good video shops everywhere.